Okay, so you've done your oil change on your Outlander PHEV, and when you turn on your car, you will see this service maintenance required notification on your dash. Routine maintenance required. So what you can do for us to reset that is turn off your car, and then while it's off, using this button, press until you will see that gear icon, wrench icon I mean. So wrench icon, and then press and hold the button, and then while it's blinking you can release it now, and then press again, and that clears your oil reset. So it's now 3,327 month. That's it. And then you can now turn on your car, and then the routine maintenance required will not pop up anymore. See, that's it. So if I'll cycle through, see, it's now 3,300. That's it. All good.